What's going on, everybody? It's your buddy Brian here. What's that? Yes, we are in a different space. We're inside. And you know why we're inside? Because it's February in Winnipeg. It's minus 16 outside. But my tumbly had a rumbly for some pork belly burnt ends, so I said, why not? We're going to fire up the Pit Boss Austin XL. We're going to get that baby going, and we're going to make some ooey gooey sticky pork belly burnt ends. So strap in and let's grill crazy.
Let's go crazy.
All right, everyone, we've got this beautiful pork belly here. We got our skin off, so I don't have to do any extra work. You can buy them skin on and then take the skin off, but I don't like extra work if I don't have to. So what we're gonna do, super simple. We're gonna cut these up into about inch and a half cubes. We're gonna give a little binder, a little French mustard, and then we're gonna do that beautiful Grill Crazy rub. We're gonna get that pellet smoker going up to about 250. Gonna put these babies on. It's gonna be 200, 205, probe tender. Take them off, butter, sauce, get them back on to tack up. It's gonna be so good. I can't wait. Let's start prepping this thing. So what we're gonna do is, this is a beautiful size here. All we have to do is just 3 nice lines this way. You wanna try and make them as even as possible. Even cooking is always good. And then just down here. That's a mouthful, I'd say. Oh, these are gonna be melt in your mouth once these are all smoked up and get that sauce tacked up nicely. Oh, it's just, like I said, it's pork candy. It's gonna be so delicious. You're gonna wanna bring all your friends some. They're gonna wanna probably come see you every time you make it. They're gonna be knocking on your door, say, hey, Brian, can we get a little bit of that pork belly? I say, yeah, baby, let's get into it. All right, so that's all cut. We got our beautiful bowl here. Everything's beautiful. You know what? Winter in Winnipeg, you gotta find the positive. So everything is beautiful when it is. So we're gonna get this all in here. All right. French mustard. Oh yeah. Smells good. Get that beautiful crazy rub. Be liberal. Make these things sparkle. And if you're wondering how to make this awesome crazy rub, look up here for the directions and the recipe and the video on it. You can see me, again, picture in picture. It's fantastic. All right. Give it a little massage. You got the pork belly gonna shine, shine, shine. Yeah. This is looking good. Okay, we're ready. I'm gonna lose one of these gloves, and I'm gonna bring this over here. Put them down, nice and even. Don't bunch them up because you want that smoke to be able to penetrate all sides. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave it on this wire rack when we put it onto the smoker so it can get through all sides and all that good stuff. And it's also easier for transport. And when you're going out in the snowstorm, you want easy transport. Let's let these tack up. Let's get the pellet smoker going. We're going apple wood today. It's gonna be beautiful. Let's get it going. All right, there we go. We're ready to get into this thing. We got our Pit Boss Austin XL. Look at that beautiful beast. Oh yeah. All right. We're gonna set this baby to 250. Turn her on. We'll let her heat up and we'll get those porkies on. All right? We'll see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're making snow angels. It's so cold on my butt. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Do that. And let's find a nice one. Ooh, right there. Yep, put a little probie in. That's good to go. As you can tell, the cold never bothered me anyway. All right, we're there. We're good. Put those babies to bed. So we'll check in about an hour, give them a little spritz. But like I said, we're going right up to 200, 205, and then we're gonna sauce them up and get them all sexy like. We'll see you back real soon. What's happening? We're about an hour in. Let's give it a little checky poo. Hello. Oh, mama, those look good. All right, so we're an hour in. We just probed them. They're sitting at 170. So, I mean, another hour, and these are gonna be like butter. So we're gonna give it a little spritz, apple cider vinegar, a little Pepsi Cola, whatever kind of cola you got kicking around, throw that in there. Oh, smell this. All right, she's a beauty, Clark. We're gonna close it up, another hour, and then we'll get to the next step. Guess who? All right, it has been 2 hours. Oh, baby. All right, let's take a little looky-loo here. Oh, right through, like butter. Oh, that is gonna be so good. Oh yeah. Temp it up. That is perfect, 200. Oh, yes, I can't wait. All right, we're gonna take these inside, cut up some butter, cut up some sauce, get them all sauced up, put them back on, glaze them up. Oh, can't wait.
Cut up some sauce?
Did I say that?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, these are perfect. Let's take them inside and I'll show you the next step. All right, we're inside, a little warmer in here, and here's the next step. Super easy. Now look at these. I want to show you this real quick. Look at how squishy those are. Those are going to be so good, but we need to add just a little more flavor. So we're gonna take all of these, put it into our foil pan. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, everybody's favorite, butter, 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 butter. What's that in the back row? That's right, butter. All right, time to add our favorite barbecue sauce. And I know your favorite, my favorite, crazy sauce. You saw the rub recipe. That means you saw the crazy sauce recipe. Make it. They go together like fine wine. And then just don't be shy. Like I said, this is pork candy. This is gonna caramelize up, gonna get nice and saucy. All right, we're gonna get these back on the smoker, 15, 20 minutes, get that butter melted, get everything tacked up and good and gooey, and I can't wait. I'll see you soon. All right, we finished these on time because it is getting colder. Oh, ho, 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 look at that. Oh my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. Let's take this inside and let's eat. Oh man, these look good. Melty, gooey, saucy. I'm so excited. I tell you what this needs, a beer.
Hi!
Ah! Oh, didn't realize you'd come so quickly.
Did you ask for a beer?
I did. Hey, ooh, Prairie Common, Nonsuch, very nice. Clinky.
Clinky.
My name is Brian, and I approve this beer. All right, let's get into this. Which one do you want?
I'm gonna steal this one from the bottom and hopefully it
You
topples
would.
over.
You would.
No, it didn't.
I'm gonna try.
We're good.
I'm gonna try. Yeah, a little bit. Cool.
Just smell that.
Just smell. Would you smell it? Smell it. Clinky. Mmm.
Wow.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Porky, melty.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. You don't get much better than that. You'll notice I did a little extra fairy dusting of the Grill Crazy rub, so a little extra pop. Hey, Reed, nice shirt.
You got a Prairie on there too.
Yeah. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, ring that dinner bell to get all the notifications. We're excited. It's winter, but we still gotta eat. So strap in, zip up, and let's grow crazy. We love you. Mwah.